Hello and welcome to another Web Manager tutorial. On this one we're going to show you how to edit the font styles. You have a default font style to begin with, but you can create new classes for different bits of text so you can have different styles within one page. And I'm going to show you how to manipulate the default ones that you will start with in the first place. So to do that, I'm going to unlock the template, because here's my page here, which is based on a template that I created earlier. And I could open up the template itself, but in this instance I'm just going to stay in my page and I'm just going to unlock the template so I can access the global font styles. So I've got the template and I click on unlock template, and then I go to global font styles. Okay, so here there's several parts to this menu. The first one is class. So as I said before, we're going to start with default. There are other classes in there and you can create new classes by clicking that one, but we're just going to change the majority of text, which is what default is applied to. We also have tags. Now tags are these down here, so all that basically covers all of them. And then you've got paragraph, which is kind of the normal text you would type in when you're just putting some text in a text box. Then you've got the headers, and you've got block quotes, lists, links, and so on. Okay, so if I click on all, which the standard style it will have already taken is Arial, we're going to change it to something different. I'm going to change it to Courier so that you can see there's an obvious change when I apply this. So I could change other attributes going on here, but I'm going to keep it simple to begin with. And I'm going to just change it to Courier by doing that one. I'm going to set the I'm not going to set anything else there because that's all. If I set all to 12 pixels, for example, then paragraph, header 1, header 2, header 3 will all be changed to 12 pixels, which is not what we want. So I'm going to go to paragraph now. Okay, so I need to change that to Courier, and that's at 14 pixels. Let's make it 12 for argument's sake and give it a line height of 16 pixels. And we could change its colour in the same screen. Let's change the colour to say I don't know, dark grey. And then I'm going to change the header 1. For header 1 I could use something different. Let's use, I don't know, Century Gothic. Let's go a bit crazy, and let's shrink its size a little bit. Let's make it 25 pixels with a line height of 29. And for header 2, let's go to Century Gothic again. We want to make it a bit smaller than header 1, so let's make it 22 and give it a line height of 25. Okay, so now if I click apply, it will apply all those styles to my web page, or to my default class rather. And then once I've finished, I can close the menu. And as you can see, the page has changed somewhat. You've got the header 1 style there, and you've got header 2, and then we've got the paragraph text, which is taken on the Courier font style that we set a moment ago. So I think actually looking at this, that header 1 and header 2 look very similar in size. Now I can tell they're header 1. If I put my cursor in there, it states the tag it's using, which is header 1. There it's using header 2, and there it's using default, which is paragraph. Okay, so I don't want to do anything with that, so I'm just going to close it. And I'm going to make my header 2 tag a bit smaller. So there's global font styles, stay on default, go to header 2 there. I'm going to make that 19 and give it a line height of 22. Okay, you can see in the background it's already changed. And now I'm going to close the menu. Now you can see that my header 1 tag is bigger than my header 2, which is bigger than my default. Obviously I've got my other tags that I could play with, but I just haven't applied them to this particular text box, which by the way is what we call lorem ipsum text. It's just default text that you can put in your web page whilst you're just trying to get a display and look right before you've got the content ready. So you click that button there and it will add paragraphs within your text. Okay, so that's pretty much how you apply different font styles. So that's great for changing font styles for your entire website, obviously, because this has all been applied in the template. Any other it's all been applied to global font styles. So any other page using the same template as this page will have taken on the new styles as well. So that's something to be aware of. And in a later tutorial, I'll show you how to create new classes and how to use different options here to create different effects within your web page. Okay, so I hope that's been useful, and thanks for watching.